guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make a juice, and this is Jamaican style soursop juice. These are my ingredients. So I have here my sugar, my Benjamin vanilla, I have a jug and stout, I have some Betty milk and some nutmeg, a jug of water here. So stay tuned and watch me as I make this juice. So guys, this is how I'm going to peel my soursop or skin it to make my juice. And remember guys, wash these things properly. And for those of you who don't drink alcohol, you don't have to put the dragon in it. You can just use milk, and you can also use a supplement. But today I'm just going to use the dragon. What I'm doing here, I'm just taking out the heart of the soursop, and this is the heart of the soursop. So this soursop now, I'm just going to blend it. So I'm going to put it in my blender. And the blender part is optional. You can also squeeze it with your hands, but today I'm just going to blend it. So guys, I'm going to pour just a little bit amount of water in the blender. So I'm going to close it now. Turn it on and then blend. So my soursop is already blended. So I'm just going to strain it now. Wow, this is breaking off. So guys, at this time I'm going to sweeten my juice, and this is the dragon. Then I'm going with some vanilla. And just sweeten to taste, guys. Right? And some nutmeg. And I'm going to put in my sugar. Then I'm going with my milk. And there you have it, guys, my soursop juice. Got that? It tastes so wonderful. So guys, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.